Okay, this is Black Yoshi, and I'm gonna do an update video. So far, no subscribers. So I want to really get no subscribers. What's the point of going on with my series? So until I get up to 10 subscribers, I mean like 12 subscribers. It isn't much, but so then I'm doing more videos. My services is over at least I get 12 subscribers. If I find 12 subscribers, there's going to be an episode 1 for season 2 of Yoshi's Island Home Adventures. So till then, services is done. Oh yeah, just to tell you, that's why I haven't been another video this week. So hope you enjoy it. But no subscribers, services is overall. At least I get 2 subscribers. So at least then, no more videos. But if anybody sees 12 subscribers, then there's going to be another video. I know that I promise there's going to be another video if I get 12 subscribers. 12 subscribers, got it, guys? Got it? Yeah, I'm sure you do. So, if you didn't get that, you should have got it. That's all I'm saying. Okay? Okay? So. Well, that's my update. If you enjoyed it, like and comment, subscribe, nobody watches my videos. So, no more videos on these 12 subscribers. I probably said that 79 times, but yeah. Only if I get 12 more subscribers, series is over. If I don't have any subscribers, what's the point? I only got 24 views, that isn't much. 0 subscribers, that isn't anything. Nobody likes my series, and that probably means that nobody wants me carrying on with my crappy YouTube videos, because I know you'll probably think it's crappy. Well, that's all for the update video. Remember, 12 more subscribers, there's going to be another video. And if I get 100, I might make a movie. Got that, guys? Well, hope you enjoyed that video. Like and comment, subscribe, and remember to leave a comment if it's sucky, if it's bad, and I don't care. If it's inappropriate, I'm taking away the comment. So, goodbye! Bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed.